Hi, I'm Jenny with Cocoa Daisy, and in this video we are unboxing the stickers, stamp subscription, pouch, and dashboards from the November 2025 Moss and Mirth collection. How about we take a look at all of the different sticker kits from the Moss and Mirth collection. I'm going to start with the Daisy Weeks sticker kit, and this sticker kit fits perfectly in a Hobonichi Weeks planner or in our Daisy Weeks notebook. So this is a sheet of vellum stickers, has the boxes and then the strips like washi tape. And then there are some decorative stickers and then some different headers and trackers. We have a sheet of boxes for writing and then also some decorative boxes. And then there are some days of the week plus icons. And then these decorative rectangles, and then also these dated decorative rectangles as well. So we have these as two. There are the trackers here, and then some more of those decorative strips. So this is the Moss and Mirth Daisy Weeks sticker kit. And next up, we will take a look at the calendar sticker kit. This is 2 sheets of stickers that, again, work wonderfully in the Hobonichi Weeks planner or in our Daisy Weeks notebook. They are sized to fit those. And our Moss and Mirth Daisy add-on sticker kit. So we have this lovely sheet with all of these decorative stickers and then some phrase strips at the bottom. So like sporadically social, thankful and tired, etc. If you want to see any of these closer, you can see them on our website on the subscribe page. And there will be photos and then also some digital renderings as well. So the alphabet stickers that of course match perfectly. And then we have a sheet of vellum stickers that have the strips and then some decorative elements as well. So this is the Daisy add-on kit. Also, you can use this kit in any project. They're not specific to any sort of planner or notebook or anything like that. All right, now we have our planner sticker kit. These boxes are 1.5 inches wide, and so they work wonderfully in a vertical, say Happy Planner, Erin Condren, that type of planner that has 1.5 inch wide columns. We have a sheet of date stickers and then trackers and checklists, and then a sheet of boxes, hydration trackers, and then sort of like reminders or those types of things. Another set of stickers with more reminders, headers, some labels, and some weather and decorative stickers. And then a wonderful sheet of all decorative elements, plus a vellum sticker sheet that has strips that are like washi tape, and then some watercolor splashes. So that, also in this sticker kit is the little circles that are great for checklists, but you can use them in so many different ways. So this is the planner sticker kit. Now we have our memory keeping sticker kit. This sticker kit, these boxes are 2 inches wide. So these are great for an 8.5 by 11 vertical planner if you like one of those, or they also work perfectly in our Daisy planner because those columns are also 2 inches wide. So there's 2 sheets of box stickers. Then there is a sheet that has different phrases and the dates, some circle labels, and then a couple of strips of washi type stickers. Then a sheet of all the decor, plus some alphabet stickers and a sheet of vellum stickers that have watercolor splashes plus phrases with decorative elements. We also have a little sticker sheet that has, they're sort of like prompts, right? So rooted in, made with love, recipe for, those types of things. So you can use it to prompt your journaling or to refer to a photo or however you like to use them. So this is the Moss and Mirth Memory Keeping Sticker Kit. How about the Bible Journaling Sticker Kit? This is a sheet of decorative stickers. Then we have all these different labels. So you have the rectangles and the circles and then different sizes and shapes. We have a sheet of washi type strips plus then some dates at the bottom, which is great if you like to do a verse a day or a daily scripture type thing. Then we have a bunch of phrases that are, so for example, blessed, songs of praise, faith over fear, that type of thing. And then some labels at the bottom. We also have a alphabet sticker sheet. And last but not least, we have a vellum sticker sheet that has different watercolor splashes, plus then some phrases and decorative elements as well. So this is the Moss and Mirth Bible Journaling Sticker Kit. And our last sticker kit is our classic cousin sticker kit. Now this sticker kit is sized, the width fits the columns of an A5 Hobonichi cousin perfectly. So if you like to use that planner, this is a great sticker kit for you. But if you have a different planner that this works in as well, it is so versatile and usable. So we have 2 sheets of the full boxes, plus this one has these types of boxes, and then this one a little bit more like labels. We have a sheet that has the reminders, trackers, checklists. Then a nice and functional sheet that has days of the week, headers, and icons. A sheet with some alphabet stickers, some dates, and then some washi type strip stickers. Plus a sheet of decorative stickers, plus some little phrases at the bottom. And then last but not least, we have a vellum sheet of stickers that has phrases and images, plus some washi type stickers in the classic cousin sticker kit. All right, a handful of items from the Moss and Mirth collection. And first of those is the dashboards. So our dashboards, you get both sizes when you order these. There are personal size and there are also A5 size. So they both come. They're a nice heavyweight cardstock and they're always so beautiful. You can use them in anything you'd like, including your planners and your journals, but also in home decor and other items. So I'm going to show you these in the A5 size first. So this one says forage for joy in the little things. This one's so cute. You could add photos or journaling or whatever on this one, and I love it because it totally looks like a sort of a vintage notebook. And then this one also, it has that layered goodness there with all of that, and then the bulldog clip. And then last but not least, we have this with the mushrooms, and then it says foraged on it. So these are the A5 size, but then as I said, we have the same ones just in the personal size as well. So no matter what size planner you use or how you use them, there is definitely something for you with our dashboards. And you can see digital renderings and photos of these on our website under the subscribe tab, or click that little subscribe and you can see all of those right there. Now, also, how about our stamp subscription this month? Look how awesome this one is. There are so many ways to use these different elements. So you have this large thankful, and then you have these circles that you can put like the little mushroom inside of, and lots of different ways to mix and match. And if you're loving the stamp set, you should absolutely, in a couple of weeks, check out how Christine has used these and paired these together in her projects. It's always just such a treat. So Last but not least is our pouch subscription. So this is a canvas pouch. It's a nice lightweight material. You can stuff it full of so many things. It holds a ton. It has this sort of gold-ish colored tassel, and then it has the decorative mushrooms and phrase. And then on the back is just this light green watercolor. And really, honestly, the pouch holds so much stuff. You'd be very, very surprised. So you can check out all of the different subscriptions on our website. Under the subscribe tab, you'll find photos and digital renderings and projects and all kinds of things there for you in the Moss and Mirth collection.